Good morning, Monday, January 15th, 2024. And we got some snow on the ground. Check it out, check it out. It's supposed to be snowing another 5 inches or so between now and tomorrow morning. So let's see if we can catch some birds. About 34 degrees out here. Light flurries. There's a lot of little birds flitting around under these pines. Hard to get a good shot of them though. Walking in the woods here beside the road. Looks like we're in the right place. I hear birds up this way. Let's go check it out. That would be a pretty good hill to sleigh ride down. Too bad I didn't bring my sled. Downy woodpecker right there. See a lot of birds flying around over here. Head up this little path of some sort. I don't know what that is. Some kind of chest. Well, somebody done left this little guy face down in the dirt. There you go, buddy. Now you can breathe. Happy Valentine's Day to you too. It's coming up, ain't it? Snow's coming down a little bit more. Still a light flurry, but I think we're gonna get about 5 inches. Here's a vacant lot here. It's for sale. There's a little bird sitting in that tree right there. Just enjoying watching the snow come down. He's looking at me. I don't know what he is. Come on, kind of sparrow, or from here it looks like a sparrow. Let's see if I can get a closer picture. Here's 2.71 acres for sale. Right off the road here. Nice looking piece of land here. Saw 3 or 4 big old crows over in here. Saw some birds over here. Up in this pine tree here. I don't see him now. So that'll do it for today's video. Appreciate you walking along. Leave me a comment where you're at, what the weather's like in your neck of the woods. I'm gonna do some reading at the end of the video. I'll catch you later. Roger, over and out. It is an old saying that time is money. It is, in the same way, health and strength and talent and genius and wisdom, in accordance with the manner in which it is used. And to properly use it, the minutes must be seized upon as they come, for once they are past, they can never be recalled. The day should be divided into portions, and everything, work, leisure, meals, recreation, should be attended to in its proper time. And the time of preparation should not be overlooked or ignored. Whatever a man does, he will do it better and more successfully by utilizing some small portion of the day and preparing his mind for his work. The man who gets up early in order to think and plan, that he may weigh and consider and forecast, will always manifest greater skill and success in his particular pursuit than the man who lives in bed till the last moment and only gets up just in time to begin breakfast. An hour spent in this way before breakfast will prove of the greatest value in making one's efforts fruitful. It is a means of calming and clarifying the mind and of focusing one's energies so as to render them more powerful and effective. The best and most abiding success is that which is made before 8 o'clock in the morning. He who is at his business at 6 o'clock will always, other conditions being equal, be a long way ahead of the man who is in bed at 8. The lie-abed heavily handicaps himself in the race of life. He gives his early rising competitor 2 or 3 hours start every day. How can he ever hope to win with such a self-imposed tax upon his time? At the end of a year, that 2 or 3 hours start every day is shown in a success which is the synthesis of accumulated results. What then must be the difference between the efforts of these two men at the end, say, of 20 years? The lie-abed, too, after he gets up, is always in a hurry, trying to regain lost time, which results in more loss of time, for hurry always defeats its own end. The early rise, who thus economizes his time, has no need to hurry, for he is always ahead of the hour, is always well up with his work. He can well afford to be calm and deliberate, and to do carefully and well whatever is in hand, for his good habit shows itself at the end of the day in the form of a happy frame of mind and in bigger results in the shape of work skillfully and successfully done. In the economizing of time, too, there will be many things which a man will have to eliminate from his life. Some of things and pursuits which he loves and desires to retain will have to be sacrificed to the main purpose of his life. The studied elimination of non-essentials from one's daily life is a vital factor in all greatest achievement. All great men are adepts in this branch of economy, and it plays an important part in the making of their greatness. It is a form of economy which also enters into the mind, the actions, and the speech, eliminating from them all that is superfluous and that impedes and does not subserve the end aimed at. Foolish and unsuccessful people talk carelessly and aimlessly, act carelessly and aimlessly, and allow everything that comes along, good, bad, and indifferent, to lodge in their mind. The mind of the true economist is a sieve which lets everything fall through except that which is of use to him in the business of his life. He also employs only necessary words and does only necessary actions, thus vastly minimizing friction and waste of power.